In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest and start making money just by using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so that's how I made $215 in commission just by promoting my affiliate links on Pinterest for free. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to share with you my method and which services you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission like this. So let's get started. Okay, so for people who are new to Fiverr affiliates and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do is you need to create an account on Fiverr like this one. Okay, so just go to Google, search for Fiverr, then you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to come to this page, scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next is you just need to click on join now. Okay, like this, and here you go. As you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here and choose your country, choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and you will just follow a few steps, and that's all. It's really easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, and search for this service that we will promote on Pinterest. Okay, so search for t-shirt design. Okay, let me see, t-shirt design. Okay, like this, and scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Make sure to choose good sellers. Okay, you need to choose good sellers, because if you choose for example sellers that new sellers, for example, if people click on your affiliate links and they find that those sellers are new sellers, they don't have any reviews or any experience, they will not buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so make sure to choose good seller. So for example, let's choose one. Okay, let's choose one of those sellers over here. Let's scroll down. Great design. I'm gonna choose this one over here. This one is level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star and he is selling this service just for $10, which is good price for people who will buy this service from my affiliate link. So just click on his profile title like this and you will be directly in his profile page on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, like this, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, then click over here and put this link here. This is my link. Click over here. Here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do, copy this link from here, and as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short. You can go to Google, search for bit.ly. You can use this website to make long links short, and you can use it for free. This website is for free. Just click on create new link, put your affiliate link here and click over here on create. and here you go. Your affiliate link will be a short link. Click on copy your affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, go to your Pinterest home page. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest and choose business account. Okay, you need to choose business account, not personal account. You need to open business account, and after you finish your sign up process on Pinterest, this will be your home page. Click on create pin, scroll down and put your affiliate link here like this, and you need to put your title here. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy his title. Because you are an affiliate, you can use his information. Okay, you are just promoting affiliate links. I'm gonna copy this link, go to Pinterest, put this title here, go back to his profile page, scroll down, about this gig, this is his description. Copy his description. I will copy this part, copy. I will go to Pinterest and I need to put this description here. Okay, like this. So here you go. You have the title and you have your description here, your affiliate link. What you need to do is you still need to upload the picture of this service here. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr and click on his picture, double click and click on save image. I'm gonna name it, for example, Fiverr 1 save. Go to Pinterest, click on this icon over here and upload your picture like this. Here you go. You have your picture, you have your title, your description and your affiliate link. Click on publish and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. So people who are searching for t-shirt design, they will find your affiliate link on Pinterest. If they click on your affiliate link, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. You will earn commission. Okay, it's a really super easy affiliate link that you can business affiliate link that you can start just by using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, as you can see, this is my affiliate link over here, picture, title, description. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment and see you in my next video.